Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by placing 1 cup plain yogurt and 1/2 cup cold milk into a blender. This creates the smooth, drinkable base. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and a pinch of salt so flavors balance. Sugar amplifies sweetness while salt rounds the dairy. Toss in 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom for aroma and 4 ice cubes to chill quickly. Once done, pulse briefly to combine. Do not overblend or you'll thin the texture too much. Keep the taste balanced as you move on. You now blend in short bursts, pulse 10 to 15 seconds, to reach a creamy but slightly thick lassi. This preserves body and prevents a frothy, watery drink. Taste and adjust sweetness with up to 1 tablespoon honey or extra sugar. Sweetness interacts with yogurt acidity, so tweak slowly. If it's too thick, add 1/4 cup milk and pulse once more to achieve the ideal pourable texture. Make sure to scrape the sides and blend briefly again so everything is evenly incorporated. You finish by pouring the custard lassi into chilled glasses and garnish with mint or a few saffron strands to elevate aroma and presentation. If the texture is grainy, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or whisk vigorously. Graininess often means the yogurt separated slightly, and mechanical smoothing fixes it. If the lassi runs too thin, refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes so it firms up a bit, and make sure to stir before serving to recombine any settled solids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.